Welcome back to Google Doogle in Gordons Bay, and a follow-up to the sand dune reclamation. Look at that, last year it was like that, now it's like this. Well, would you look at that? No Port Jackson, no Australian alien, and in fact we got quite a few little shrubs there standing about 4 foot tall. Indigenous plants in line with natural flora, and we look forward to seeing this developing further. Well, there are the maintenance guys and the fighters against alien invaders. To save money, they're collecting water, perhaps grey water and rainwater, doing their little bit for the environment. The wastewater exit into Gordons Bay Beach is not working out so well.